Columbia Garments Limited.
Columbia, the leading denim maker in Bangladesh, blends innovation and style under the MNJ Group. The group has a rich history of innovation and excellence dating back to 1963. Over the years, MNJ Group has expanded its horizons, venturing into the ready-made garments industry in 1989. MNJ Group's industrial empire comprises 7 magnificent ventures with a capacity of 23.4 million pieces per year. These include Columbia Garments Limited, Columbia Apparels Limited, Columbia Washing Plant Limited, Genesis Fashions Limited, and Genesis Washing. Among them, 3 factories are LEED Platinum certified. Its global presence has expanded with the establishment of MNJ Hong Kong Limited and ITES Bangladesh Limited. Columbia uses state-of-the-art technology to create sustainable high-quality products that meet the needs of its customers. The factory aims to be known as the best place to work in the denim industry by adhering to its ethical values and prioritizing employees first. The core values are ethics and integrity, customer satisfaction, sustainability, innovation. Columbia revolutionizes fashion with virtual 3D sampling, a digital wash library, and a state-of-the-art photo studio, prioritizing efficiency, accuracy, and sustainability. It also focuses on sustainable production by avoiding 100% potassium permanganate and pumice stone. They employ green chemicals, ozone development, and efficient machinery to minimize carbon emissions. Columbia supplies its exceptional products to renowned global brands such as Cat & Jack, Art Class, Goodfellow, Universal Thread, Chiyu, Lee, Wrangler, Zara, Target Australia, Celio, G-Star Rob, Only, New Yorker, Jack & Jones, Big Star, CNA, Buffalo, Diesel, and among others. They are also actively engaging in various collaboration initiatives with suppliers, both in Bangladesh and internationally. Columbia's circularity strategy begins with the use of recycled and biodegradable materials, low-impact wash and finish processes, and the incorporation of virtual design. Additionally, the company maximizes recycled water usage, planted more than 4,000 trees, plans zero liquid discharge, and uses renewable energy for environmental preservation. They have achieved a Hague FEM and VFEM score of 84.4. The company uses an Oracle ERP to track costs, compare initial costing versus actual costing, and optimize material planning. This real-time data and clear action plans ensure a smooth supply chain and on-time deliveries. It uses smart software to track orders, plan capacity, and manage laundry operations. Fast Track reduces paperwork, analyzes efficiency, and even tracks chemical usage. They strictly monitor the utility consumption through BMS. MNJ Group actively engages in diverse CSR activities, including providing complimentary lunch, subsidized grocery shops with a self-purchase option through kiosks or mobile apps, electronic payments to workers, daycare centers, and on-site doctors in all factories. They're involved in the BSR project for women's empowerment and nutrition. The Kokan Charitable Foundation, which has assisted over 5,000 families through more than 20 projects, and the Kokan Memorial Hospital, offering low-cost medical care to the underprivileged, are integral parts of their philanthropic efforts. In the vast Columbia family, our team is very dedicated. They always like to weave dreams through new products. Because we believe passion makes innovation